Hey guys, today we're making some simple sweet and spicy roasted butternut squash. So we're going to start by taking a butternut squash and you're literally just going to cut it in half, and then you're going to scoop out all of the insides, the seeds, all the like gross, nasty parts. And then after you scoop it out, we're just going to cut the ends off and then we're going to skin it. So I tried using a what do you call that? A potato peeler, because I've done that before, and it honestly was trash. So I just used a knife instead. It does take a little longer, but you're going to have to skin it either way. So then we're going to cut it into chunks, just like little bite-sized pieces. And while I was cutting it, I realized that I should probably get a pan and put foil on it so that I can just pop it in the oven after it's done and not have to dirty up another dish. So I did that. So after you've cut up all of your butternut squash, I actually didn't end up using the last piece because this made so much squash and I just didn't need the extra. So we're going to put our olive oil, paprika, we're going to put our brown sugar, our thyme, and I used fresh thyme, and then you're just going to do some salt and pepper, and then you're literally just going to mix that up and then pop it in the oven and cook it, and just cook it until it's soft. So I did it for about 40 minutes, but completely up to you. 40 minutes at 400, but it was really, really good. I paired it with steak that I have video of on my channel that you can check out. But yep, that's it. Bon appetit, y'all. See you next time.